Hello. Have you ever wondered how some people can wake up early in the morning and start their day on the right foot, while others kind of snooze along and don't really want to wake up and have a hard time starting their day? Well, I'm here to give you 7 ways to trick yourself into becoming a morning person. Hi, my name is Nikia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategies. So I would like to share with you the 7 tips or tricks that I use to fully manage all 24 hours of my day by waking up just a little bit early. All right, let's just go ahead and get started. Let's jump right in. All right, so as you can see, we are actually in my master bedroom. I decided to shoot the second half of this video in my bedroom because, well, we're talking about things that we're going to do to trick our bodies into becoming a morning person. So I thought, hey, why not? And actually, I'm going to post a video of how I decorated my bedroom. So if you would like to see that video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now, I wrote a blog post about the 7 steps to trick yourself into becoming a morning person. So I'm just going to look at my iPad here and make sure that I tell you everything. Okay, step 1. Now, this is a hard one. This is one thing that I struggle. Please stop snoozing. Yes, I know, if we want to wake up at 7 o'clock, we'll set our alarm clocks for 6:45 and then hit the snooze button until it's time to get up. Well, that is very ineffective. What you need to do is set your clock for the time you want to wake up. No snoozing. Because what you're doing by setting your clock later or earlier is you're going to end up with 15 minutes or 30 minutes or even longer if you snooze longer. But you're going to end up with that time worth of interrupted sleep that your body could use. So just by setting your clock to the time you want to wake up, that will actually help you become a morning person. Okay. Step 2. Now, this is something that I talk about all the time. Prepare your clothes for the night before. Now, in my bedroom, I actually have a hook on my door where I hang my clothes up. At the night before, I decide what I want to wear, down to the underwear, the jewelry, all of that stuff. And I just put it on the hook, and I have a little tray on my dresser, and I will include a picture of that probably like here or something, which will show you what I'm talking about as far as my jewelry or my clothes. But if you prepare your clothes the night before, when you wake up, you're not having to worry about what you're going to wear. That's one less thing on your mind. All you have to do is wake up, take your shower, get dressed, you're good to go. You can actually start your day on the right foot. And also, when you wake up, and even if you have in the back of your mind, I'm going to wear my blue sweater. And once you open up your closet, maybe you can't find it. Maybe it's in the cleaners. Maybe a button broke. Maybe there's a stain on it. So that really messes up your time and everything. So if you actually prepare your clothes the night before, you'll know if you have to make any type of changes or anything. Now, along with that, I always suggest establishing your schedule the night before. So kind of in the back of your mind, if you're not a planner person where you write things down, but tell yourself, okay, tomorrow I know I need to go to work, if you have to, or whatever duties that you have to do. Maybe you're working on a project. Maybe you have a proposal that you need to send out. Maybe you need to go to the cleaners. Maybe you've done your meal planning, so you need to pick up some milk. Maybe you need to go to the grocery store, get Pampers. Whatever it is, have your plan the night before. So when you wake up in the morning, you'll know exactly what you have to do. Okay? So the next one is to change your morning mindset. We have this negative connotation of waking up early. We think, who wants to wake up at 5:30 or 6:30 or 7? So, get out of that. Try to, be positive about waking up early. When I wake up early, and I do so much, and by 8 o'clock and by 7 o'clock, I'm like, wow, I've done so much. People are waking up right now, and I've already knocked off all these things on my to-do list. I feel great. I feel fabulous. So, change that morning mindset. Stop telling yourself you can't wake up early in the morning, because you can. Now, popular YouTuber she's a YouTuber, blogger, entrepreneur, everything. New mom, that I adore. Her name is Maddie James, and she says, if you want to change your world, you must first change the time you wake up. And I thought that was great. I mean, that is a tweetable quote. I'll repeat that again. If you want to change your world, you must first change the time you wake up. Okay. Another thing that I always recommend doing is to put a bottle of water on your nightstand. So when you first wake up, now we all know we have to drink our 8 glasses of water, which unfortunately I don't. I want to be there. I'm a work in progress as well. So, but go ahead and put your bottle of water on your nightstand. And when you wake up, first thing you do, drink it. Try to drink the whole bottle of water. You know, room temperature is fine. And you will understand that it does something physical to your body. I'm not a doctor, but it does something to your body to kind of, you know, get it in gear. So, and then it's another great way to get one of those tick marks off your checklist for waking up in the morning and also for drinking your water. Okay. Also, share your goals with your family. You know, don't keep all this a secret. If you live with a family, roommates, whatever, let them know. You know, say, hey, I'm going to try to wake up a little bit early in the morning. I need your support. Maybe they can do something to help you. Maybe if there's a chore or something that they do that you normally do at night, they may do it for you. They may make sure that the bathroom is accessible for you. Just little things. But, you know, I always say, you know, share your goals with your family. Also, this is a big thing. Now, I'm doing this not by choice. I have a baby, so I have to, you know, Kelsey's only 18 months old. So she does not know the difference between a weekday and a weekend. But the 7th tip was to keep your routine during the weekend. So if you wake up at 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock during the weekday, when the weekend comes, as much as we want to sleep in, let's try not to sleep in so much. I recommend at least or no more than an hour to wake up later, no more than an hour. So that's one of the things. Like I said, if you have small kids or if you have a dog or something or a spouse that, you know, works weekends or also that may not be the case. You may have to wake up early anyway. But if you do have the opportunity to sleep in, you know, we want to keep our body on a schedule. We want to continually feel good about waking up early, and we want to be morning people. So go ahead and just try to keep that weekend or that schedule on the weekend and just sleep in no later than an hour. And then what that will do is just continually train your body to wake up earlier and be more productive. So those are my 7 tips, or my 7 tricks. I really hope you enjoyed them. I used them all, and like I said, it's working for me. I wake up typically at 5:30 in the morning or 6. It just kind of depends. But you know, a lot of times when I wake up so early and I want to call someone or text someone or make a phone call, I'm like, oh, wow, that person is still asleep. And I kind of think about all the things that I'm doing and everything that I've accomplished during that time. So please, if you have any tips of things that you do to trick yourself into becoming a morning person or any strategies that help you, please leave them in the comment section below. And also, if you are new to this channel, I would love to have you here. We have a new posting schedule. All of our videos are going to go up Thursdays at 2 Central, and my channel is for home decor ideas, organizational strategies or tips, and planning and productivity strategies. So I would love to have you as one of my subscribers. So please subscribe, like, and also feel free to visit me on my blog, which is decoratorsvoice.com. So thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.